Since we have some beautiful weather here in South Texas, I'm going to go ahead and do a little walk around video here of some of the upgrades I did last year. I know I did a still shot video, so I figured I'd get out here and just kind of do a quick walk around. First thing that I did was I recessed the blinkers. They were supposed to be flush mounted, but I installed them incorrectly, and I just kind of stuck with that. The other upgrade that I did next, got rid of that ugly long fender. Got the TST Industries integrated tail light. That was about 80 bucks. I ended up relocating my license plate down there after I took the pegs off the back, relocated the rear brake reservoir. Have a COFFMAN'S exhaust here. Got an ECU flash. Got about 4,000 miles on it. You're wondering about that Gixxer sitting over there. That's a 750. That's my wife's there. It literally has 200 miles on it. It's a 2013. It's lowered. Guess I can do a quick walk around of that while I have it out here. We did an M4 exhaust for it. Sounds pretty good. Let me kind of give you an idea of what this sounds like outside here. I made and buy those racing baffles for 200 bucks or whatever they cost. 200 bucks you can buy this COFFMAN'S and it'll sound like I'm bad out of hell.